Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use dynamic wallpaper on your iPhone running iOS 18. So dynamic wallpaper is a wallpaper that is animated on the lock screen behind your phone icons continuously. So it depends on the day as well. So if it's night, it'll change to a night color. If it's day, it'll change to a day color. So let me show you how to enable dynamic wallpaper on your iPhone. So first you want to go ahead and lock your phone, then unlock it, and then long press on the screen. Now dynamic wallpapers can only be applied to certain wallpapers. So as what I've noticed, it can be only applied to wallpapers that are from Apple itself. So for example, this one here, this one, and this one. So I'll go ahead and select the one that is from Apple. So this, for example, here, I'll tap on Customize. Then I'll tap on Lock Screen. And here we can swipe between styles. So if you swipe all the way to the left, you'll see dynamic. And as you can see, it animates in the background with different colors. So now once you're happy, go ahead and tap on Done. And then select it. And now your dynamic wallpaper has been set on your iPhone. And there you go. That is how to use dynamic wallpaper on your iPhone running iOS 18. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.